Does the Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Ultra, or Plus actually support a micro SD card for expanding storage? Let's check if there's a micro SD slot on the phone, and if not, I'll also show a simple way to still use a micro SD card with it. First, open the Files or My Files app on the phone. Scrolling down shows the available storage, and there's no external SD card listed, which confirms nothing is connected. To confirm whether the phone supports a micro SD card, grab the SIM ejector tool and insert it into the small hole next to the SIM tray. Once the tray pops out, pull it out and take a look. The tray only supports the SIM card, and there's no slot for a micro SD card. Even though the phone doesn't have a built-in slot, a USB-C card reader makes it possible to connect one. Take a USB-C micro SD card reader, then place the micro SD card into the reader. Push it in until it clicks into place so it sits securely. Next, plug the card reader into the USB-C charging port on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Once it's connected, open the My Files app again and scroll down. Now, a new storage option should appear labeled USB Storage. That means the micro SD card is successfully connected and ready to use. Files can now be viewed just like regular storage. When finished, open the notification panel and select the option to unmount the USB storage before unplugging the card reader. And that's how a micro SD card can still be used with the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, even without a built-in card slot. Thanks for watching.